So now that we have that up here, we'll clean that up a little bit. And then of course we are going to go through and just begin to clean up things a little here. Now in this section here, for things like new puppy obedience, that's a keyword phrase that someone might type in. But you know what? Think of it this way. What if 2 people type that in? What if 10 people type it in? What if 2 people type it in a month and you make $20 off of it? So what? Bold it. And here it says bold, but actually what we're doing when we look behind the code, I'll show you, it's actually strong is what we're doing. And so we can look behind the code right here and we'll see it's actually strong. Okay, but I say bold because there's a B button there. But you'll hear it from time to time that in internet marketing they'll say to bold something, but truthfully it has to be strong for the search engines to see it. They don't like bolded stuff, so they changed it to strong. Okay, so now back to your visual editor here. You'll go in and continue to make changes, lining things up a little bit, and then that's basically what you're going to do. But you're going to look for, as you're reading through the article, you're going to look for certain keywords, like here we have the keyword puppy again. So we want to bold the word puppy. Okay, we want to make it strong, right? Because that's what they're looking for. Or maybe they're looking for new puppy. You want them to come to your website either way, because you're going to have multiple articles on this website for puppies and puppy training and what to feed them and all that good stuff. So if your website is completely dedicated to how to train puppies or what to train them on, and as a side mark you're training them on what to eat, or you're teaching them what to eat, anything and everything, it's cold, what should they wear, should they wear something on their feet, the bottom line is there are advertisers out there that want advertisement on your website, highly targeted customers who are looking for these products and services based on reading your articles. It's sort of a cause and a cure effect. I'm also going to show you here how to add Google AdSense right here in the middle of your article as they're reading this information. So you can add advertisement right in the middle while they're reading. When I call it a cause and a cure effect, some people may call it something different, but if you think about some of the websites that are out there, like the WebMDs of the world and the other medical websites, they always talk about the cause of your problem. This is the cause, this is the pain that you're recognizing, or the irritation, or whatever it is, and then right there within the article somewhere and along that on that page for sure there are links to the cure. So your cause and cure type advertisement is absolutely the way to get customers reading, engaged. Oh, there's an article that talks about how to, if here, for example, they're talking about to get a dog to heal, or to get a dog to come to you, or get a dog to stay. Well, guess what type of article could be displayed here, or banner, or anything? It could be an article on dog collars, or it could be an article on puppy pad training, or anything of that nature. And believe me, people will click on it to see what that is. And of course, when they do that, you're going to generate revenue. So I want to show you something else too, because I want to help you with a couple of things when it comes to the title that everyone can, the search engines can see, and something here called permalinks when it comes to your web pages. I'm going to click on this and show you permalinks. Very simple thing to change. Just keep in mind this is the way it is right now, right? Page equals 123. Well, let's face it, Google's not going to recognize page 123 as to determine what's on your website. So you want to change that if it hasn't been changed in your structure, and you simply want to go in here and you want to type in this little code right here. This is percentage post name percentage. That's all it is. And when you change that on your structure, the benefit is that you're going to start to get actual page names. So let's go back to the post. And when we go back to the post, you can see that basic commands for new puppy obedience. This is actually changed from the page number to actual page name. And it's kind of truncated, it's short, but this is the permalink, meaning that this is what the search engines are going to pick up. How to train the puppy.com/basic commands for new puppy obedience. This is what they're going to see in the search engines. So let me show you what the top of that page and the top part of the page looks like. Okay, so here's the front page, right? And basically this is what they're going to see when it's time to index this page. And so this is strong here, and obviously I haven't done all of it, I haven't changed all of the information yet, but absolutely I will. And you'll find that this is the date that the article, so let them know how relevant the article is. There's a whole nother side to making sure that you have different post names, and I'll show you a couple of tips and tricks there, but mainly make sure that your title is there so the search engines can pick that information up. Okay? In the next video, we're going to learn how to add Google AdSense.